Wow, guys, this is the Instant 360 attached to a DJI Spark. Wow, man. And also the Hero Session 5 is attached to this one right here. So, pretty strong. Amazing. I just got my Instant 360. You guys can see. Oh, I'm sorry. So, actually, that's the reason why I didn't buy a GoPro, because to me it's like a beta. To me it's like iPhone 10 right now. Fix their software. And of course I'm using my Spark here. And what else do I have here? That's why I like the GoPro Hero 5. It's tiny. You can even put them in the cot when you want to. But anyway, I just got my Insta 360 camera here. You guys can see. Wow. Just got this at Amazon. Finally came. I think this is the reason why I didn't really buy the GoPro Fusion, because to me it's gonna be, it's the first 360 camera, and a lot of people think it's pretty good, but to my opinion, I bought the first GoPro Karma. It's a big failure to me, so I'd rather just go ahead and get this Insta360. It's designed for iPhones anyway, and I'm gonna go from there, and let's see what's inside of this thing. And you guys can see. Wow. So, I've seen a bunch of stuff online. I got this at Amazon. I got it for $300. Before I had 360, I used to have Gear 360, Samsung. And even that, the reason why I got that one, because, I had the Note 8 and I also have the the Samsung S8. And the reason why I had that 360 camera, because it comes with the phone, and of course it's Samsung. But still, this one right here pretty have more feature, like before you can only do a little tiny planet, and you're pretty much limited what you can do. And the cool thing about this, it has the over capture. This is apparently before the Fusion even pronounced, this thing is already doing the commercials. So to me, it's pretty cool. So yeah, you can mount anyway. Look, you can mount it in the drone. So I guess the DJI Spark is gonna have the first. I've seen it with Inspire 1. I think I've seen it with Inspire 2. And I also seen it on a Mavic. But this thing is pretty light. It's actually lighter than Gear 360. So wow. I guess my little body here is not gonna suffer. Well, he doesn't really suffer when he has the Gear 360 on top of his head. And he will just, even I'll put in a sport mode, it's still going. So anyway, I got this 360 camera here. Build quality, pretty solid. So for $300, I think it's worth it, I would not spend more money on the 360 camera. I wouldn't. I mean, even though like you have some high quality one like the Fusion, I don't know, I wouldn't. It just, you're gonna have more, you're actually gonna work harder when you think about it, when you do editing on this. And that's the reason why I think I don't have I kind of got rid of my Gear 360 Samsung, because it just takes forever, even though you download it from your phone on your Galaxy Note, or Galaxy 8. I'm still there waiting until the editing software is done. And to me, so what is this right here? So now, oh wow. So, it actually comes with a string now. And guess what? I think before it comes with different, it's not a nylon. Actually, this one right here, it comes with, I'm sorry, it comes with a nylon. You guys can see that. So it's cool. And of course, I got the charger, USB charger on here. And you get the manual. Oh, it even comes with the cleanup thing, so it's pretty cool. So, all this for the price of $300. Does it come with the... I guess it did not come with the, how do you call this? It did not come with the, what am I saying right now? SD card. I thought it comes with the SD card. Oh, it did come with the SD card. Wow. Another thing too with the Fusion, I just noticed in it, like, oh yeah, you have to use 2 SIM cards. It doesn't make sense to me. If that's gonna be the case, did you guys seen the Inspire 2? The Inspire 2 has the, see this one got an 8 gig on this one. Well, the Inspire 2 already has the internal, SD card. You don't even need the SD card anymore. You can just use the flash card. Yeah. So that's what the GoPro should do instead of using SD cards and stuff like that. And that's about it, guys. So yes, this is my Insta 360. Just got it today, and this comes with the box. So you get these 2 right here. Sorry, let me move this out of the way. And to me, portable is king. And I mean, the reason why I got this iPhone 10, so I could just do my editing on the phone, and that's the point. This one's supposed to be better than iPad Pro 2 or whatever. I mean, it's supposed to have the same speed, so you know, I'm not gonna have time to go home and use my MacBook. So instead of that, I could just do everything on the phone. I mean, that's the reason why I love using this, because it's simple. You know, you just take your video, you do your editing, and you do it ready to go. And of course, sorry here, and my GoPro. And of course, my GoPro. That's about it. And go from there. So that's all we'll get in the box for the Insta 360. Sorry, I'm just using my other phone to do this video. And another one that I get is the attachment. I should get my waterproof case for this. Cage, like, you know, glass cage. So I ordered that, so it's even better. It's coming on pretty soon. We sell it separately. And I got this extra one for my mountain bikes and my road bikes. And the reason why I picked this here, because you have this clip on the side. And it's actually better if you do that. So you guys can see here. So yeah, I think you can buy this at Amazon for like $7 or $8. So pretty sturdy, and that's about it. So yes, my impression is pretty good. And from my point of view, I think it's the way to go. I'm not like, you know, bashing on GoPro. We call this Fusion. It's just the fact that it's, you know, $7.99 or $6.99 for a 360 camera. They're pain in the ass to work with. I mean, like I said, I had the 360 gear, Samsung. Even that, I don't really do too much on my YouTube channel videos because it's one of those things that you keep messing around. Next thing you know, you spend like 4 or 5 hours. That's not me, man. And that's the reason why I stick with my Spark, so it's just easier to play with. You know, just do your video and get it done. I mean, yes, 4K or 2.K. I mean, every time I use my phone, even though I have this 4K 60, I mostly take a video using video on this one. I use 1080p. I don't really use 4K 60. I mean, sometimes I do use 4K 60 or 4K 30. In my Mavic, I also do a 4K 30, and most of the time I do 2.7K. It's just easier to work with for me, you know. Or I use 1080p, and that's the reason why, for me, this is good enough. I mean, I don't know. I'm probably gonna get the Fusion eventually, but from my perspective, I would recommend for everyone is like the easier is now is the way to go. I mean, you're not gonna have, I don't know. I just don't have time for messing around and playing around online. So, I mean, doing a bunch of apps or doing anything else. I would just rather just take my video and go on with my life. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I do appreciate it. Thanks.